Hello and welcome. My name is Jürgen Rinelli and I'm a senior software consultant. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make an upgrade from Endpoint Central in the on-prem version. Have fun with it.
All right, here we are on a, this is a Hyper-V test machine where I am doing, I'm playing around. So, today we are gonna update Endpoint Central on-prem version. We will need our update package. I already downloaded it. And it is the version 11.4.2528. What I'm gonna do is I always have on my disk where I have my installation, I have a service pack folder. It's easier to access. I just copy the update package in there. Now let's have a look on which version am I. So I am here in the version 11.4.2522.10. Okay, now we need to update. The process is simple. It might be a bit strange, but it is simple. I'm showing you my preferred way. Okay, so we have the update package. Now, first, what we do is make a backup of the system. Right, make a backup, a snapshot or whatever, so that you can revert in case of something gets wrong. All right, and first what we do have to do is, after our backup, to stop the service. So open the services, search for the UEMS or ManageEngine UEMS server and stop it. Next is that we need the command prompt. And this we have to run as administrator. It's important, even if we are logged in as administrators. Okay, now our Endpoint Central installation is located in on the E drive UEMS Central server, and there is the bin folder. There we want to go. Okay, so we just switch there. And we start the UpdateManager.bat. Now we just choose our installer, our updater, service packs, open. Now there is a validation in progress, install. For the integrity of the patch. I strongly recommend waiting until it starts creating the backups, because sometimes there might be changes where you have to accept the changes. All right, Preinvocation in progress. Of course, you could start the Update Manager, but out of here of the folder. But I had sometimes some issues starting it out of here, so I'm always using the command prompt for it. Now the backup is in progress, and nothing else is to be done except waiting. We will see each other again after it finished. Okay, the update installation is completed. We can view the README and install files. All right, let's close that now. And now we can see the changes, bug fixes, if there are new features and something. Beautiful. If I want to access something in my console, it won't work because, yes, you're right, the service is still down. Okay, let's exit the installer, and yeah, that's gonna be closed as well. And there is the services. Let's start the service. When we start the service, automatically the server will start. We will see the progress, initialization. Yeah, let's start up. Okay, now let's log in. Okay, let's have a look. And we are on the new version. Automatically, the agents will be updated. Let's have a look. Agents, computers, there's just 3 test machines. And yeah, they will get updated once the system contacts them. You might be able to force it if you just click here and get on a remote control. If you want to start the remote control, sometimes this may force it.
That's it for today. Easy, isn't it? I enjoyed it and I hope you enjoyed it too. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you again soon. Bye.